fractions and mixed fractions. Right? Yes, today we are going to solve the exercise 7.6. In the first main they are given 12 problems. In that I have taken some more. Okay. So first I will do the C question. Solve 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. Yes. Observe these two fractions. These two fractions are the unlike fractions. So how to add these two fractions? Yes. So first we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. Okay. Yes. Take the LCM of 9 and 7. LCM of 9 and 7. Yes. See here 9 and 7 are co-prime numbers having only one common factor. Means one has common factor. So what is the LCM of these two co-prime numbers? That is the product of the two numbers. Is 9 7 how much? 9 7 63. Is make the fractions as the denominator 63. Okay. Is first take the fraction 4 by 9 into dash which is equals to 63. Okay. 9 how much is 63? 9 7 63. Multiply by 7 to the numerator. 4 7 28. Okay. Then similarly the second fraction 2 by 7 into dash which is equals to as the denominator 63. 7 how much is 63? 7 9s are 63. 9 2s are 80. Okay. Yes, it is the 28 by 63 and 18 by 63 are the like fractions. Then now add here. Yes. Add here 28 by 63 plus 18 by 63. Okay. Yes, sir. So now these two fractions or like fractions, add the numerators and write the denominator as it is 28 plus 18. 28 plus 18 which is equals to 46. Right? 46 divided by 63. Okay. Is now you see here are they divided by the same number 46 and 63. 46 is divisible by 2 but not 3. It is divisible by 3 but not 2. So this cannot be not cancelled. Okay. Keep it in the form. So it is a proper fraction. Okay. Then similarly do the G question. It is a subtraction of two unlike fractions. Okay. So here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So make it into like fractions by taking the LCM of two denominators. Okay. Then take the LCM of 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Yes, 4 and 3 are the co-prime numbers having only one as a common factor. Therefore, LCM is equals to 4 into 3 which is equals to 12. Right? Yes. Then now convert the write the denominator as 12 for the first fraction 3 by 4 and 4 how much is 12? 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9 and the second fraction is 1 by 3. Make it as the denominator 12. 3 how much is 12? 3 4s are 12. Okay, 1 4s are 4. So it is 9 by 12 and 4 by 12 are the like fractions. Then now add 9 by 12. Sorry, subtract minus 4 by 12 which is equals to, while we are subtracting the like fractions we have to write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. 5 divided by 12. So it is in the simplest form. Okay. Yes, similarly do the next problem. The next problem is 2 by 3. I question 2 by 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So here the given three fractions are also the unlike fractions. So what we have to do is similarly same type. So we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. Okay. Yes, take the LCM of these three denominators. Okay. Yes, first take solution. LCM of 3, 4 and 2 which is equals to, yes, take here LCM 3, 4 2. Take the smallest prime number 2. 3 cannot be divided, write it as it is. 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, and again 2, 3 as it is. 2 1 ja, 1, then 3, 3 1 ja, 1 1. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so the LCM is now 12, and take the first fraction and make the denominator as 12. Okay, yes, the first fraction is 2 by 3 into dash, which is equals to 12. Is 3 how much are 12? 3 4 ja 12. Right? Then 2 4 ja 8. The next fraction 3 by 4 into dash, which is equals to, make the denominator as 12. 4 how much are 12? Yes, that is 4 3 ja 12. Then 3 3 ja 9. Okay. Then the third fraction 1 by 2 into dash, which is equals to, make the denominator as 12. 2 how much are 12? Yes, that is 2 6 are 12 and 1 6 are 6. Okay. Yes, now add these three like fractions: 8 by 12, 9 by 12, and 6 by 12. Okay. Is 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Yes, and here both the three fractions are having the same denominator. So these three are like fractions. Write the denominator 12 as it is and add the numerator 8 plus 9 plus 6. Okay, which is equal to 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 divided by 12. Right? Then it is in the improper fractions and convert it into mixed fraction. Okay? Yes, divide the right side by 12. 23. Yes, 12 1 ja 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? It is quotient whole remainder by divisor, which is equal to 1 whole 11 by 12. Okay? Then write here 1 whole 11 by 12 is the answer of sum of 2 by 3, 3 by 4, and 1 by 2. Okay? Is it clear? Then let's see the other one. I have taken the H question. It is the addition of mixed fraction. Okay? Yes. So we can add here 4 plus. First, we can add the whole numbers and the fractions. Okay? Yes. First, write the whole number, which is equals to 4 plus 3 plus add the fractions 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay? Yes. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus, so 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Yes. Take the LCM and write the unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. Then the next step is LCM is equals to 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 are the co-prime numbers. Therefore LCM is equals to 12. Right. Then 2 by 3 can be written as denominator 12. 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Then next 1 by 4 into dash, which is equals to 12. 4 how much is 12? 4 3 ja 12. 1 3 ja 3. Okay. Then now write here 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 plus 2 by 3 can be written as 8 by 12 plus 1 by 4 can be written as 3 by 12. Okay. Yes, now add these two like fractions. 7 plus, write the denominator as it is 12, then 8 plus 3. Okay. Yes, 7 whole 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 12. Okay. Is it clear? The second question is, Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Okay, sir. Here first sentence what we have to write? Ribbon bought by Sarita and ribbon bought by Lalita, and we have to write total length of ribbon bought. Okay. This is the first sentence right now. Ribbon bought by Sarita which is equals to how much? Yes, that is 2 by 5 meter. Okay, then the ribbon bought by Lalita. Ribbon bought by Lalita. Ribbon bought by Lalita is equals to 3 by 4 meter. Okay, the next what we have to write is total length of ribbon. Okay, let's write down total length of ribbon. Total length of ribbon is equals to, we have to add these two lengths. Okay, is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. See here, these two fractions are unlike fractions and make it into equal means like fraction by taking the LCM of denominators. Okay, then take here LCM of 5 and 4 is 5 4 ja 20. Why? Because 5 and 4 are co-prime numbers having only 1 as a common factor. Okay, then make the given fraction into like fractions. 2 into 5 as the denominator 20. 5 how much is 20? 5 4s are 20. 2 4s are 8. Then second fraction 3 by 4 into denominator 20. 4 how much is 20? 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 50. Okay. Now 8 by 20 and 15 by 20 are like fractions, then add easily. Which is equals to 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20. Okay. Yes, now these two are like fractions. Write the denominator as it is 20 and add the numerator 8 plus 15, which is equals to 8 plus 15 is 23 divided by 20. Okay, so now it is in the improper fractions and make it into mixed fraction. Okay, let's divide here by 20. 20 ones are 20. Remainder is 3 and write the quotient or remainder by divisor, which is equals to 143 by 20. Okay, which is equals to 143 by 20 meter. Is what we have to write finally. They bought 143 by 20 meter of ribbon. Okay, they bought 143 by 20 meter of ribbon. Okay. Yes. Third question is very easy as the second question, so you can do it in your phone. Okay. Then I will take the fourth question. Fill in the blanks. So here they are given the 3 problems. I have taken 2 different problems. Okay. You see here the first one is blank minus 5 by 8 is equals to 1 by 4. Yes. So in this case what we have to do is, see here it is minus of minus 5 by 8 which is equals to 1 by 4. So we have to find out the fraction which is suitable for the blank. Okay. Yes. What we have to do, just we have to move the minus 5 by 8 to the equal factor. Okay. Yes. First write your solution. Keep the box here and minus 5 by 8 is moves equals after, it will become plus, which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Okay. Yes. Now see here 4 and 8 are multiple of, so 4 and 8 are unlike fractions. So take the LCM of 4 and 8. You see here 4 and 8. 8 is a multiple of 4. So 8 is a LCM of 4 and 8. Right? Right? LCM is equals to 8 and convert the fraction into as denominator 8. Okay? 4 how much is 8? 4 2 ja 8. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 5 by 8. 8. So 8 1s are 5. So now add here plus 5 by 8 is which is equals to these two are like fractions. Then write the denominator as it is and add the numerator 2 plus 5. Okay, then which is equals to 7 by 8. So in the blank what we have to fill? The fraction 7 by 8. Okay, yes. Therefore write down here. Therefore in the blank we have to fill 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8 which is equals to 1 by 4. Is it clear? Yes. Similarly we have to do the second one. So third one problem. Okay. Yes. 1 by 2 minus box which is equals to 1 by 6. Okay. So here we have to move the. So here there is a minus space, right? So we have to move to the equals after it will become plus, right? Yes. And I will move 1 by 6 to the left side. Okay. Yes. In the solution 1 by 2. So I will take 1 by 6 to the left side. So it has a positive, it will become minus 1 by 6. Then which is equals to box will go to equals after. It will become positive now. Okay. Then subtract here 2 and 6 are the different denominators. These two are unlike fractions. Is what we have to do. Then take the LCM and make it into like fractions. LCM of 2 and 6. You see here 2 and 6. 6 is a multiple of 2. So therefore 6 is a LCM of 2 and 6. Okay. Then convert the fraction in as the denominator 6. Okay. 2 how much are 6? 2 3 are 6. Then 3 1 are 3. Then the next fraction is 1 by 6. And make it as a denominator 6. Multiply by 1. 1 1 is 1. Then now these two fractions are like fractions. Then subtract these two. Okay. Yes. Which is equals to 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Yes. 6 is the like both fractions are like fractions. Write the denominator 6 as it is and subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 6. You see here 2 and 6 are divisible by the same number, that is 2. Then simplify this. So 2 1s are, then 2 3s are. Right? Is the given obtained answer is 1 by 3. So then what we have to fill in this blank space, that is 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 2 minus blank space, in that we have to fill 1 by 3 which is equals to 1 by 6. Okay. Yes. So like this we have to do the second one, B question. Okay. Then let's go to the sixth main. This question is a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Here there is the length of it. So here there is a length of a wire. So in that, it's just imagine here the total length of this wire is 7 by 8 meters. Okay. So in that one of the piece is 1 by 4 meter. Okay. Then what is the length of the other piece? Okay. Is what we have to do is we have to subtract the 1 by 4 meter in the total length. Right? Is write the sentence here. Write the sentence. Total length of wire is equals to 7 by 8 meter, and length of first piece, that is 1 by 4 meter. Okay. Then the final question, the remaining length of remaining piece. Length of remaining piece piece of by is equals to, is we have to subtract 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Yes. See here, 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. These two are unlike fractions. Make it into like fractions by taking the LCM. And what is the LCM of 8 and 4? Is 4 is a 8 is a multiple of 4. The LCM is 8. Okay. Yes. Take LCM is equals to 8 and make the fractions into like fractions by as writing the denominator as 8. Okay. Then 8 ones are 7 ones are 7. Then the other fraction is 1 by 4 and make the denominator as 8. 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. Now 7 by 8 and 2 by 8 are the like fractions. Then add these two fractions. Okay. Which is equals to 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Okay. Then subtract here. So write the denominator as it is because these two are like fractions. Then you subtract the numerator 7 minus 2 which is equals to 5 by 8. Right. So 5 by 8 is in the proper fractions. No need to convert into the mixed fraction. Okay. Yes. 5 by 8 is what we have to write at last. Is therefore length of the remaining part. Length of remaining part of wire is equals to 5 by 8 meter. Okay. Yes. Then let's do the second question. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? Yes, what they given here, the distance between the school and her house is 9 by 10 kilometers. In that she walked some of the distance and after that she took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Okay, yes, how far did she walk? So first sentence what we have to write, the total distance between the school and house. Write down solution. The total distance between school and house is equals to 9 by 10 kilometer. Okay. The next sentence, distance covered by bus. Distance covered by bus is equals to half kilometer. Alright. What we have to find out? So in the total distance is 9 by 10 kilometer and she covered the distance half kilometer by the bus. So the remaining distance is covered by the walk. Right. So what we have to do? The remaining distance means we have to subtract. Right. The remaining distance covered by walk. Right. Yes. Write down the sentence. Remaining distance is equals to remaining distance is equals to 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 kilometers. Right? Is now these two fractions are unlike fractions. Make it into like fractions by taking the LCM. Okay, and subtract these two fractions. Okay, then 10 and 2 is 10 is a multiple of 2, so therefore LCM is 10. Okay, then right here LCM is equals to 10 and make the 9 by 10 as the denominator. 10 ones are, so 9 ones are 9. The next half is 2 how much are 10? That is 2 5s are 10. Then 5 ones are 5. Now 9 by 10 and 5 by 10 are the like fractions. Then subtract now. So 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10, which is equals to, write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 by 10. Now see here, 4 by 10 is not in the simplest form, so we have to simplify this. So it is both these two numbers are divisible by the same number, that is 2. Cancel here, 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, which is equal to, we get the remaining distance covered by our walk is 2 by 5 kilometer. Okay. Yes, therefore we can write here distance covered by walk. Distance covered by walk is equals to 2 by 5 kilometer. Okay, is it clear? Yes, then let's do the 8th question. 8th question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partly filled with the books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. So whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? Yes, sir. So we have to compare these two fractions and we have to say which shelf is filled more. Okay. Yes. First, what we have to write is write the given fractions and make it into like fractions and compare both the fractions, and we have to say whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction. Okay. Yes. First, write here the given fraction is 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. So these two are unlike fractions and make it into like fractions by taking the LCM of denominators. Yes, LCM is equals to how much? LCM is equals to 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So these two having the only one as a common factor. Therefore LCM is equals to 6 into 5. That is 30. Okay, and write the first fraction and make the denominator as 30. 6 how much is 30? 6 5s are 30. Then 5 5s are 25. Similarly, the second fraction is 2 by 5 and make the denominator as 30. 5 how much is 30? 5 6 are 30. Then 2 6 are 12. Yes, now see here 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. Yes, write down which is equal 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. Yes. Yes, the first one shelf is Asha's and the second one is Samuel's. Okay. So compare these two fractions. So here these two are like fractions. So which fraction having the greater numerator? That is the more greater fraction. So here 25 is greater than the 12. So 25 by 30 is greater than 12 by 30. So it is Asha's and it is Samuel's. Right? And finally they are asking the question, whose shelf is more full? So we can write here Asha's shelf is filled more. Right? Yes, right here therefore Asha's shelf filled more. Okay, then yes, whose shelf is filled more? Asha's shelf is filled more by what fraction? Yes, how can you find it? By what fraction is filled more? So we have to subtract. Okay, yes, then the difference is equals to 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. Okay, then subtract here, these two are the like fractions. Subtract the numerator, 25 minus 12 which is equals to 13 by 30. Okay, therefore we can write here Asha's bookshelves filled more by 13 by 30 fraction. Okay, yes, is it clear? Let's do the last line question. It is very easy. Okay, then if you have any doubts you can text me personally. And up to here I have solved, up to here we have completed the lesson fractions. Okay, so regarding this lesson, if you have any doubts, please without any hesitation you can ask me. Okay, yes sir. After this write the assignment questions and the exercise problems, which are I left the problems in the exercises, so you have to compulsorily do that in the notes. Okay, at last you have to write the concept map of fractions without fail. Okay, thank you.